Hey, welcome to Guarantee RV. We're actually up here at Salem at the Kaiser Stadium, so I'm going to do a video while I'm up here. This is a 2018, it's a used 242 Bunkhouse model. Let's go inside, take a peek. You walk right in. Here you got your entertainment center here, stereo system, cabinets there. You got your big U-shaped dinette that makes into a bed. It's got the deep slide. Over here on the left, you got your double sink, kitchen, storage above there, microwave here. You got a fan hood, 3-burner gas oven, more storage. You got your Norcold refrigerator freezer right there. Like I said, bunkhouse model, so this has got the big double bunks, which is kind of cool because you got lots of room for doubling up for kids. And then back here, you got your big shower. Actually got a little tub, nice big bathroom, countertop, sink, storage, whatnot. And then you got this little pantry room right there. Gives you lots of storage there also. And then usually there's storage underneath the benches out there. And then you got the walk around. You can walk around both sides. The queen bed, it gives you storage on both sides above a little rack. Little shelf for a CPAP machine or whatnot, and then the bed lifts up for storage there. But nice little shoe rack, TV spot for over there on that side. You got all LED lights, roof air. So got a nice little trailer, got a lot of room. More storage under the sink there too. But LEDs above us, there's your antenna right there, air conditioning there. Here's your control panel for your slide outs, your battery check and all that. Let's go outside. It's got the big grab handle with a 3-step double axle, and this gives you storage under the lower bunk there. We got your refrigerator pull out cooktop right there with a little sink. Kind of cool. A lot of the bunkhouse models have those on them now. So, and then you got a full electric awning that goes all the way back to the back. Electric goes out. You got power plug in here, so you can run some lights or whatever. There's where you fill your water. So stabilizer jacks in the corners. You got a ladder getting up on top. And a little window there for the back bunk model. So you got LEDs on the outside. Here's where your cable hook up for your cable. Outdoor shower right here. Water hookups. See how deep the slide is. So that's what gives you that U-shaped extra bed basically. So metal sided, you know, but Jayco's good looking trailer. Like I said, 2018. Somebody didn't use it much. Who knows why they traded in. But if you're looking for trailers, campers, fifth wheels, you name it, come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.